Welcome to the second part of my pilot episode vlog. This is Bjorn Santos of Los Santos Workout. I'm an online calisthenics coach based in Sydney, Australia. And last video, pinakita natin kung sino ang ating special guest. He is one of the icon vocalists in OPM rock scene. Well known for the longevity and rock out performance, he is Miggy Chavez of Chico Sai. So way back 1998, nakasabay namin sila sa Bad Boys sa Timog. Yung banda niya, Chico Science. Minsan nagkakasabay kami nung nag-session pa ako sa Slapshock, sa mga festivals. But we never really get to hang out. And then last year, December, may show sila sa 123 Block. And then nag-usap kami doon. And then tinanong niya ako, ano yung program ko doon sa ginagawa ko, which is calisthenics or street workout. And then I told him na nagtuturo ako. And pwede ko siyang turuan online. Since marami na din naman akong naturuan from here sa Australia and sa Philippines. And they've got really good results. So, nag-start kami ng January and then na-visualize ko kung paano na yung mangyayari sa kanya and kung paano na yung magiging results nung training workout na ginagawa niya. Nilatag ko na sa kanya yon. And then I told him na in 6 months time, uwi ako ng Philippines and magte-training kami together ng intense. And within that, eto yung una niyang physique nung January. And then eto na siya as of today. And I know for a fact na hindi mo naman dapat drastically baguhin yung lifestyle ng isang tao just because gusto nila maging into fitness. So sinabi ko sa kanya na dahan-dahan itong gagawin and then we will do it according to his lifestyle, pero we will make some small adjustments para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo.
And in able to achieve your goals, kailangan susunod ka dun sa personalized structure plan.
I-feel mo siya dito sa may ano mo. Go. Down. Lock. Load. Lock. Load. Up. Pa. Down. Up. Good. Last. Pa. Up. Alright. So, mission natin. Wala na yan. Ayos? Thank you. Ang next natin is front lever. Tuturo natin kay Miggy yung basic na progression ng front lever and kung paano mo siya uumpisahan. Ano ba ang front lever? Front lever is itong skills ng calisthenics which gumagamit ng core and retraction ng shoulders para magawa ang movement na ganito. So ituturo natin kay Miggy kung paano yung basic nun. Or kung hindi mo pa kaya yan, kaya mo ba gawin ito? Wala, natin mo lang. One, two, and go. Express yan, this, and that. Gamit mo yung shoulder mo, saka yung core. And baba. Angat, dahan-dahan ko ba? Isin mo sa abs. Isin mo sa abs. Alright, and last one, isin mo sa abs. And dahan-dahan ko ba? And hold for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let go. Nakuha ko sa mo muna, kahit mga 3 steps lang. 3 steps lang. Pull, tapos gagalaw yung paa. salamat sa kaibigan natin, Ultimate Liquid Chalk, all the way from Sydney, Australia, sa pag-provide sa amin ng chalk and other gears. Gears na natural, Hindi chemical na gear, Alright, so papasubukan ko lang kay Miggy yung rope climb since meron na siyang pull-up strength. Susubukan natin kung kaya niya i-testing yung kanyang grip with this rope. So, again, pag-akyat mo, gusto mo ng konting pa ako. Sige, ito mo na. Subukan mo lang. Kahit dalawa lang, 1, 2. 1, 2, pag di mo kaya, pwede ka tumalon. Parang pull-up lang, isipin mo sa pull-up sa taas. Ang ating pa. Yan, ang ating pa. Ang ating pa. Yan. Sige. Go. Angat! 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 Angat pa! Angat! Yeah! Baba! Right, right. Yan. Guys, sana may natutunan kayo at sana na-inspire kayo to start your fitness journey. Again, my name is Bjorn from Los Santos Workout. I'm a street workout practitioner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Our page at Facebook is Los Santos Workout. Same as Instagram, Los Santos Workout. Guys, kung gusto nyong matuto ng home workout or gym workout and kung paano magpo-progress or to start your fitness journey, just message us at our official Facebook page at Los Santos Workout. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next training video, street workout.